Upasana Kamineni Konidela sparked debate, suggesting women freeze eggs to have kids later and focus on careers. Her career advice at IIT Hyderabad was met with backlash. Anmol Bishnoi, key accused in Baba Siddique murder case, has been arrested and brought to Delhi, with investigations revealing continued involvement in terror syndicates from the US. YouTuber Dhruv Rathi criticized the extreme violence in Dhurandhar trailer. Sparking debate, he admitted to being wrong for praising similar content in Gangs of Wasseypur, which some called him out for. Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar inaugurated 2 new consulates in Russia's Yekaterinburg and Kazan, strengthening bilateral ties between India and Russia. Chief Justice B.R. Gavai ruled that air pollution in Delhi NCR can't be solely linked to vehicle age. During a hearing in the MC Mehta case, the CPI-M has criticized the Congress after MP Shashi Tharoor praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech at the Ramnath Goenka lecture, calling it both economic and cultural commentary. The Supreme Court stayed the transfer of investigation to CBI in the murder case of Tamil Nadu BSP leader and Dalit activist Armstrong, citing an ongoing probe. A female dancer and her colleagues were violently assaulted at a pre-wedding celebration in Noor district, Haryana, after she objected to a male guest's inappropriate behavior. The Supreme Court calls for a national policy to address inconsistencies in organ transplantation due to flawed implementation of the Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissues Act. 1994. Bollywood actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan paid respects to Prime Minister Narendra Modi by touching his feet during the Satya Sai Baba centenary event in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. A senior TCS employee in Mumbai was reportedly forced to resign while awaiting surgery during approved medical leave, receiving low severance pay, according to the Forum for IT Employees. Fujiyama Power Systems IPO is set to debut on November 20, receiving a positive investor response with a 214x subscription. A camouflaged 2026 Maruti Brezza facelift was spotted with new features and an underbody CNG kit. For added practicality, India's top affordable 7-seater cars under 15 lakh rupees include Renault Triber, Maruti Ertiga, Kia Carens, and Mahindra Bolero, offering families more space options. MG Motor India tests facelift 2026 MG Hector, set to rival XUV 700 and Harrier with improved features. Infosys begins its 18,000 rupees crore share buyback on November 20, allowing up to 10 crore shares to be repurchased at 1,800 rupees each via tender offer. The Unique Identification Authority of India plans to remove personal details from new Aadhaar cards, showing only a photograph and QR code to prevent data misuse. Bill Cassidy expresses concern over proposed change to hepatitis B vaccine schedule for infants, citing concerns from a key health advisory panel. Nutrition and lifestyle factors can help prevent stomach cancer by reducing abnormal cell growth in the stomach lining, which develops from genetic and environmental factors. A Washington state resident has been infected with a rare type of bird flu, marking the US's first case since February. According to health officials, scientists are baffled by a peculiar boulder discovered in Jezero crater on Mars, with its unusual texture, color, and composition suggesting an origin far from its current location. Scientists develop an artificial neuron to mimic human brain functions, moving robotics closer to human-like sensing and responding abilities. Microsoft's Windows 11 introduces Agent Workspace, allowing users to manage files and tasks using AI agents running in the background with controlled access and progress alerts. Snapchat introduces topic chats for users to join public conversations based on shared interests. With privacy safeguards and AI-powered moderation. Rishmika Mandana's romantic drama, The Girlfriend, directed by Rahul Ravindran, is set for its OTT premiere on a specific date. Farhan Akhtar's 120 Bahadur offers paid previews. Based on true incidents from the Battle of Raizamla in the 1962 Indo-China War. Depicting bravery and courage, Priyanka Chopra Jonas confirms she'll be dubbing her own Telugu lines for S.S. Rajamouli's Varanasi, marking a grand return to Indian cinema. Now, the trailer for Ram Pothineni's upcoming film Andhra King Taluka, set to release on November 27, 2025, was launched in Kurnool with a drone show, drawing a positive reaction from the crowd. Actor Parineeti Chopra and politician Raghav Chadha have revealed their newborn baby boy's name, Nia, sharing first photos of the child on social media. Now, the highly anticipated trailer of Dhurandhar has been released and is generating immense interest. Online starring Ranveer Singh, it has created a buzz ahead of its post-COVID opening. Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone spoke about leaving major Telugu film sequels Spirit and Kalki 2898 AD, citing a shift in priorities beyond high-budget projects. A large Russian drone and missile barrage killed 16 people in western Ukraine. As President Volodymyr Zelensky arrived in Turkey for top-level talks to secure support. Ukrainian soldier reveals Russia has developed a drone similar to its own, captured from Moscow's forces in recent days, sparking concerns about advancements in drone technology. Chinese ban on Japanese seafood imports sparks surge in Avanti feeds. Other shrimp stocks up to 12% due to deteriorating relations between Beijing and Tokyo. US President Donald Trump is under fire for insulting a woman journalist on Air Force One. The latest in a series of incidents involving his verbal interactions with female reporters. Russia launched 470 drones and 48 missiles at Ukraine overnight, with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky sharing visuals of the aftermath and ongoing rescue operations. Air India is lobbying China to use a sensitive airspace zone in Xinjiang to shorten routes amid financial woes caused by the ban on Indian carriers flying over Pakistan. An Indian-origin pregnant woman and her unborn baby were killed in a car crash in Australia now. The driver has been arrested and charged with several offences, including dangerous driving occasioning death. Russia may offer its single-engine stealth fighter, Su-75 Checkmate, to India ahead of the Modi-Putin meeting, potentially competing with the Su-57. Tennis legend Roger Federer is set to be inducted into the International Tennis Hall of Fame in 2026. 5 years after his last Wimbledon match, Rohit Sharma lost his top spot to Daryl Mitchell in the ICC OD Batters rankings, with Mitchell becoming the second New Zealander to hold the position. The ICC has announced the schedule for U19 Men's Cricket World Cup 2026, to be held from January 15 to February 6 in 2026. Showcasing emerging cricket talent, Sri Lanka speedster Mathisha Pathirna has attracted an immediate buyer after being released by Chennai Super Kings, with a new bidder emerging within a week. New Zealand's Daryl Mitchell replaces India's Rohit Sharma as the world's top-ranked one-day international OD batter, marking only his second time and NZ's second time achieving this feat since Glenn Turner in 1979. The England and Wales Cricket Board has announced a 12-member squad, including fit Mark Wood. For the first Ashes Test, Wood bowled 8 overs in the warm-up match against the England Lions.